Premier Tim Houston, please double the social assistance checks in Nova Scotia to at least $2,000 per month. Tim Houston, these checks are not enough money. Please double the social assistance checks in Nova Scotia to $2,000 per month for each single person on assistance. Thank you very much. Beautiful spring day in Kempful, Canada. Please do share and do subscribe to the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel, me, Kempful folk artist. Give Dennis Ramsey a thumbs up in all his videos. Shall you and will you? But Tim Houston, please double the social assistance checks in Nova Scotia to $2,000 per month for each single person on assistance in Nova Scotia, Canada, so they have enough money for rent, food, basics, essentials, and needs. Springtime in Kempful, Canada. It's a beautiful day. Get outdoors, enjoy the fresh air and the sunshine. Shall you and will you? And all speeders, please slow down on any residential street in Canada, USA, or Europe, or Asia. Speed kills. All you speeders are a hazard to all living creatures. Slow down, please. In any residential area across the world. Please check out the Dennis Ramsey films on YouTube. Do share, do subscribe. Thank you very much. All's quiet in Kempful, Canada today. Anyhows, if there's anybody that can donate me $1 or $2 million, please give it to me. Send it to Dennis Ramsey 27 Canaan, Canaan Avenue, Apartment B, Kempful, Kentville, Nova Scotia, Canada. Don't forget the postal code B4N2A7. Thank you very much. Please donate me $100, $500, $1,000, $1 million, $2 million. Anyhows, to request your folk art, give me a jingle, 902-365-5044, Kempful, Canada. It's a beautiful day in Mr. Ramsey's neighborhood today on Canaan Avenue, Kempful, Canada. Please do share, do subscribe right now. Thank you very much. Y'all take care and have a fine day. And a better day tomorrow, know what I mean? Peace out. Ciao. Everything's A-okay. That's the rabbit sign. Looks like a rabbit, don't it? Mr. Crow talking to Dennis Ramsey. How are you today, Mr. Crowley? Please share and subscribe today to the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel. Thank you. Y'all take care and have a nice day. Bye for now. And please donate me $100, $1,000, $1 million. Address is in this film. Or just call me and donate me some money. I am a starving folk artist, and I gotta eat too. And I need to get essentials and basics also. 902-365-5044, Kempful, Canada. Woo! Share, subscribe, and take care. Peace out. The birds are singing. They got pretty voices, so whistling and chirping. Now, in this neighborhood of Canaan Avenue, Kempful, Nova Scotia, Canada, we have crows, blue jays, chickadees, seagulls. yellow birds, red cardinals, a little bit of everything for everybody. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.